Hello, in this position, white has one move that will result in a checkmate in 2. Any other moves for white will be a checkmate in 3 or worse. Black has the king that can't move, 4 pawns, pair of bishops, pair of knights and their rook. White has the king, pair of knights, pair of rooks, the bishop and 4 pawns. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2 for white? Moving your knight to c3 is actually the only mate in 3. The black king can't move, so black has to take back with their knight. You can then take the knight back with your rook. Then whatever black does now, you can just move the rook out of the way to checkmate in just 3. Taking the bishop with your rook gives you a nice reveal check by your bishop, but it won't get you a mate in 2 because the king has an escape square. You can come in and check with the knight, but the knight can take your knight back. After you take the knight back, black does something like push the pawn. Doesn't matter because at this point you can just get the mate in 4. Doubling up your rooks in the 4th rank won't get you a mate in 2 unless black does something like move their knight, because then you can mate in 2 with the rook. Black can advance the e-pawn or take your rook with their bishop. Now, if you try and mate in 2, the king has an escape square. And sacking your rook doesn't get you a mate in 2. The king can't move. Obviously, the pawn just takes back the rook. If you try to do a reveal check on the king, it has a couple of escape squares, so you can't get a mate in 2 this way. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your rook to c3. Black takes your rook back with their knight. You can take back with your knight to checkmate in 2. If black decides to push their e-pawn, you can move your rook to a4 or b4 to do a reveal checkmate in 2 with the bishop. And if black does some other random move like moving their other knight or their bishop, you can do the same move because you still get the mate in 2 this way. If black moves their knight to d2, you can then move your knight to e3 to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, it will really help out the channel, and I hope to see you again soon.